Hi, my friend. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite quick and healthy vegetable dishes, Choy Sum with garlic chili oil. First, cut the Choy Sum into long sections. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a little oil and some salt. This keeps the greens bright and give them a touch of flavor. Blanch the Choy Sum for about 50 seconds, just until tender but still vibrant. Then move it straight into cold water. This stops the cooking and keeps that crisp tender texture we all love. Squeeze out the extra water. We don't want it to dilute the flavor later. Now for the fun part. Slice some garlic and put it in a bowl. Add some dried chili segments. Heat some oil over medium-high heat until it's just starting to smoke. Drop in a handful of Sichuan peppercorns and let them release their fragrance for a few seconds. Then strain out the peppercorns. Carefully pour the hot oil over the garlic and chilies. You will hear that beautiful sizzle. That's when all the aroma comes alive. Pour everything over the Choy Sum. Let it sit for about 1 minute so the flavor can soak in. Add a splash of light soy sauce, a little rice vinegar, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything together. And that's it. Simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick, healthy meals, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.